wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Really quickly, need y'all's help because I'm trying to place some orders, trying to, do a little makeup shopping, seeing what's new. So I wanted to do one of these videos. I feel like I posted one not that long ago, but like I said, I'm trying to make the order like today. So let's talk about some new things that are coming out, and you let me know specifically if you want to see any videos on this stuff. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first thing I see here, a new GroundW WorkK palette from Danessa Myricks. Oil absorbing shaping powder that easily define eyes, brows, cheeks, and lips. Retails for $65. I'm pretty sure they had this in like a contour version, like the shades that were inside you could use as contour shades, you could use as, eyeshadow, stuff like that. Looking at this palette, you can tell this is more so, you'd use this as eyeshadow or blush shades. I didn't get the other palette for the same reason I feel like I probably wouldn't get this one. It's just, this gives very much so more like if you're a makeup artist, you would probably have more use for this. But seeing as how these are more like shades you could use as eyeshadow or blush, you could probably have more use out of this one. And y'all know Danessa Myricks, like, she don't miss. So I feel like I could see myself picking this out one day, but do I want to go run and get it right now? Not so much. But again, let me know if you want to see a video on it. So they have finally revealed what Secret from Beyonce looks like. It's a new hair care line. There's a hair oil for $44, a shampoo and scalp scrub for $38, hydrating shampoo for $30, cosmetic bag for $22. So a very like mid-range priced brand. Would I try anything from this brand? Yes. Y'all know I hate doing my own hair for any reason, but I have had to do my own hair more and more in the last few years, and I've gotten into like flexi rod sets, wash and go, stuff like that. So would I try this? Yes, I would. Will I try this? I probably will end up picking up probably the clarifying shampoo and the scalp scrub. I see a lot of people saying, like, what does Beyonce know about putting out hair? And Beyonce doesn't talk to anyone, and that's why her brands don't do well. And I'm just like, most of the brands that I purchased, I don't know anything about the owner. I don't even know who the owner is. I don't know who K18's owner is, but I have that shampoo and that conditioner in my thingy, so I don't care that Beyonce doesn't talk to us and she doesn't show personality. Is the product good? That's all I care about. Is the product good? I don't know nothing about Taraji. I know nothing about Tracy Ellis Ross, but I still purchase their body care and hair care products. That's all I care about. Is the product good? That's it. I've been seeing a lot more luxury brand makeup. I know Prada has a $70 foundation that came out. I ain't hear nothing about it. Like, I ain't hear no noise, no buzz behind it. So let me know if you want to see that foundation. But available, oh well, maybe that's why. Well, this says available in Europe. Dior Forever Natural Bronze Glow Powder, Radiant Healthy Glow Powder Bronzer Sun Kiss Finish. Just give me the price. I don't see a price. Look at it. Next. Okay, available now. Morphe Lightform Extended Hydrating Foundation, a weightless second skin foundation that's clinically proven to improve skin's natural radiance, hydration, and barrier function in just 1 week. Y'all know I never, had the best luck when it comes to Morphe. Remember when they launched that, like, I don't know, 60 something foundation? Right, they sent me the entire thing. I swatched the entire thing, and then I broke out in like hives from the entire thing. And then I tried other like complexion products from Morphe, and it just never really did it for me. But this looks cute for some reason. I also didn't think Morphe would still be putting out makeup, because I could have, like, weren't all the stores closing down and like the employees didn't know all that stuff. But this is cute, so let me know if you guys wanna, is Morphe coming back type video, testing this out. Just let me know. Okay, revealed new Hideaway brightening and hydrating under eye color corrector concealer from Caliray, a clean, long-lasting, lightweight serum like color corrector illuminator concealer that quickly brightens and hydrates under eyes to conceal dark circles without caking or creasing. 28 dual hairs. Now, I have not tried this brand yet. There are things from this brand that I want to try. At first, this almost had me, but y'all know as soon as it says like serum like, I'll be real, I'm kind of good on that. But like I said, I haven't tried this brand before, so let me know if you guys would like a video on this. Looking at the colors, I don't know. This might have to be I would have to test this out to see how I really feel about it type product. Okay, Finally, new Higher Standard Cream Glow Blush Sticks from Lys Beauty. I know we have a lot of blushes, but okay. Creamy blush stick that instantly brings a flush of color to the cheeks with an illuminating finish. Now, I have their cream bronzer, not bronzer, is it bronzer? No. Contour stick, and baby, I'm going to use that thing down into the ground. Okay, so this is like the same formula as that, but just blushes. Oh baby, absolutely. They are $20 each. Would I pick this up? Yes. Will I? Yes. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on this. And then look at the colors. Like, I'll do, you know, mattifying here in my center because that's where I have oily skin. So I can really play with cream products on the perimeter of my face. So blush, bronzer, contour, that's usually where I play with cream more because like I can get away with wearing cream in that area of my face. New Disco Crush Eye and Face Sparkle from Too Faced. The most innovative glitter formula you've ever used. A shifting... I had to make sure I said the word shifting shimmer formula that feels weightless and looks ultra luxe with iridescence. The intensifies the, you know, sometimes the you see what it is. It's cute. It might give a cute like eye topper. Y'all know I don't wear highlighter anymore, but it gives very cute eye topper. Okay, Danessa Myricks has new additions to the Yummy Skin family. There's the Yummy Skin Mattifying Water Powder Serum with Niacinamide and Hyaluronic Acid, retails for $36. A mattifying water to powder serum that primes, absorbs shine, and visibly refines skin with Comfort Matte Complex. And then there's the Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm Serum with Hyaluronic Acid and Squalane, which retails for $38. It's a natural balm to serum, intensely hydrates, repairs, and soothes dry skin. It's going in the cart. I don't even need y'all to tell me if you want to see it. You're gonna see it. So just, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, Super Goop is dropping a new Protect Tint Daily SPF Tint. An effortless, weightless, and cushy skin tint meets powerful sun protection with light buildable coverage and a natural finish. I'm intrigued because, you know, I wear sunscreen. But especially when you're a deeper complexion, it's just, another product, like I would have to test it out before I say what I gotta say because I'm suspicious. But let me know if you want to see it. New additions to the Good Apple family from KVD. It includes the Good Apple Bronze and Sculpt Duo, a Balm Duo, which retails for $36. Bronzing and sculpting shades in a creamy blendable formula for realistic warmth, shadow, and definition that last all day. And then the Good Apple Blush Balm Duo, which retails for $34, which is pretty much the same thing, just in a blush form. I'm intrigued. I liked the Good Apple line. The concealer, the I think it's like a mattifying version of the foundation, something like that. But like, is everything gonna be this like balm type consistency? You know, the original like Good Apple that, you know, kind of brought KVD beauty back. It was that balm type like, you know, give us something else. But I would try something of this. Let me know if you want to see that. Okay, in stores, new complexion products from Juvia's place. There's a Radiance Booster that retails for $25. Complexion Booster, illuminating finish, blurs and smooths the skin. So it's giving kind of like a, no, it has actual shades to it. Because I was like, is it giving a primer? But no, it's got shades to it. I don't know, I haven't heard anything about this. No, I'm intrigued. Let me know if you guys would want to see a video on that. And then the other is a Ready Set Sealed setting spray. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, there's just, okay, setting sprays, okay, blushes, primers, foundations. Also, I don't think I screenshot it, but One Size Beauty has a new glow primer. It's like a water primer or something like that. And then there was also something else. Oh, I told you guys about Huda already. Okay, and the last thing I have here, new from NYX Cosmetics, their Blur Screen SPF 30 Primer. Blur and Grip, a 3-in-1 blurring primer. It blurs imperfections, grips makeup for up to 18-hour wear, and helps protect skin with SPF 30 protection. Retails for $14. Y'all know I'm a NYX girly. I like NYX. And they've had like blur primers before that were really good, so I'm actually intrigued to see how this works. But like, y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, okay, I see the makeup launches. Let me find out 2024 is the year that we get back into it, because 2020 was actually 4 years ago. That's crazy. But the last 4 years, I don't know what y'all been doing, but it has been hitting. But this video, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Like, there is a lot I literally want to go add to my shopping cart. So I'm going to hurry up and edit this video and let you guys see it, so you guys can let me know so I can hit checkout on my orders. So that is it for this video. Those are some new products that are coming out. Like I said, let me know what you guys want to see videos on. And yeah, that is it. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.